welcome back. So today's video is going to be the Walmart Baby Registry free gift, or the welcome gift box that you get. So this is a free box when you create a Walmart gift registry for your baby. So basically all I did was I Googled Walmart Baby Registry, and it took me to that page. And then there's something called like a welcome box or something like that. And there's not like a tricky process to get it, whereas like the Amazon one, you have to like add certain things to your registry from each category and make a purchase of $10 or more and then it gets shipped. No. Walmart, you could add like nothing or like one or two things to your registry and then say you want the welcome box. And it's free shipping, everything. It said 4 to 6 weeks would be how long it would take them to get the package here, but I got mine within a couple of weeks. So it's really cute. It says knock knock, who's here? And it's just like sprinkles or confetti looking package. Share your journey with hashtag itsy bitsy Walmart. I don't know. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get into the box. It was packaged a lot neater. I have opened it. But yeah, the front top flap says special delivery, a bundle of joy for you and your little one, Walmart. So here we go. The biggest thing, like size-wise, in here is a Dr. Brown's Natural Flow Options Plus Anti-Colic bottle. This is an 8-ounce bottle, and it is 0 months plus, the level 1. So I think these are, I want to say $6, $8, something like that. I could be totally wrong, but that's not nothing for free. I usually use the Medela bottles because I use a Medela pump, but it's always good to have more. And I think you can pump into these with your Medela Pump and Style Advanced, I think that the neck is the collar is the same size. But yeah, it comes with a cap, 8-ounce bottle too, so it's not like the little one for infants. You can use this to your kids a year old. Okay, so next big thing size-wise, this is the Pampers Pure Protection Diapers. It's the size 2, which is interesting because most of these welcome boxes, I've done Walmart and Target and Amazon, and I think that's it. They usually give you size 1 diapers, whether it was Pampers or the Target brand Up and Up or Honest Company or 7th Generation or whoever gives you diaper samples. They always give you the size 1, so not newborn, which is like 8 to 12 pounds or 5 to 8 pounds or something like that, and not the size 1's 8 to 12. They gave you size 2, 12 to 18 pounds. So this is cool. These are my only size 2 diapers that I have. I'm not going to open the package, but I'm happy to have these because let's say like we are out of the newborn diapers in the size 1s and we just have like blowout after blowout. They gave me 3 size 2 diapers. So I could just be like, that's it. The size 1s are too small and she keeps peeing out of them and blowing out of them. I've got a little bit of size 2s to get me to like get to Walmart and buy some more. But anyway. And these are good too for the diaper bag, just to have 3 size 2 diapers. Pampers Pure, and these are the ones, the trial pack has no chlorine, bleaching, fragrance, parabens, latex, blah, blah, blah. So these ones are for like sensitive skin. They cost a little bit more, I think, than Pampers Swaddlers. All right, and then another item. This one's kind of cool. This is the Carter's Child of Mine onesie, and it is a 0 to 3 month size. And it is a neutral, like dark gray with white stars. And it is wrapped in plastic. So gender neutral, tiny little white stars, really cute. I think, you know, probably any baby could wear this. I don't know what the weight range is for 0 to 3 month size in Carter's, but I think they run small. So anyway. Pampers gives you 6 sensitive wipes. Like I said, these are great for the diaper bag. Like I just throw one of these in there because newborn baby poops are like liquid and it can take 10, 15 wipes in one diaper if it's like a really bad one. But having 6 is like, okay, you know, good to grab if you're just heading to the bathroom at a restaurant and you just need to change diaper. Lancino samples. This is a 2-pack of disposable nursing pads and 2-pack of breast milk storage bags. I actually use Lancino pads and storage bags, so I'm a fan. It's nice to have this. This is great too if you just want to throw one in your pocket, throw one in your purse, nursing pads on the go, you know. You also get a sample of the Dreft Stage 1 Newborn Laundry Detergent, liquid detergent pouch. This is good too. Does it say it's one load? Add detergent, then add clothes, start washer. Okay, so it doesn't say use half the packet, so it must be for one use. But actually I've gotten that same packet from Draft in all 3 boxes I've gotten so far. So, and then Nano Bebe, I'll show you the package in a second, sent this little baggie thing, and the baggie inside has a little pacifier, and this is one I'd never seen before. Nano Bebe. Whoop, well, it's gotta be sanitized anyway, I guess. Just threw it on the floor. And then they give you 2 breast pads that I've never seen. There's a nighttime breast pad and a daytime breast pad. And then 3 of their extra thick milk, breast milk baggies. And they're labeled by ounces. They're kind of an interesting shape. But yeah, I've never heard of this brand, never tried this brand, but I am happy to have it. You never know if you're gonna love it or hate it. Then you get this envelope, which has nothing but just like the little confetti like that's on the outside of the box. And inside are a bunch of cards, but basically it's like your 1-month-old, 2-month-old cards that you can put like on the blanket next to your kid through 1 year. And on the back, they talk about brands that they love, and they have like the little scanning code thing that you can scan, and like there's the pack and play they recommend, or here's a boppy pillow, here's whatever. And then they have different ones like I crawled today, I walked today, today I, and then it's blank. Go through 1 through 12 months, I stood up today. Yeah, but you could just like lay this down next to them on the blanket. Kind of cool for photos. I wouldn't have paid for these, but like if you're gonna give them to me for free, sure. You also get a 1-ounce bottle of Desitin Maximum Strength. So this is like a diaper rash cream. I don't think I've ever used Desitin actually. I know it's like a really famous brand, but this is the zinc oxide 40% skin protectant. I've had different brands, but I don't think I've ever used Desitin. They give you an Enfamil Neuro Pro infant formula, milk-based powder with iron for infants, gentle nutrition 0 to 12 months. And it's like an individual packet. It makes a 4-ounce bottle, so you just add water. I haven't formula fed, really, so, but I will keep this. It says it's good till December. My baby should be born in August, so in the event that I like don't have enough supply or something and she needs formula, it's good to have that. I also got a 1-ounce Aveeno Baby Daily Moisture Lotion sample. We love this Aveeno stuff, and I think all the boxes I've gotten a 1-ounce sample of it. A Palmer's stretch mark, like, what is it called? Massage lotion. And then there's just a bunch of little like papers. So not even coupons really. An Aquaphor Advanced Therapy packet, 1 use. And Walmart Photo, just an advertisement for their photo department. Enfamil formula, not even a coupon, just like a advertisement. So that's it for the Walmart box, but for absolutely free, I say cool. It was very easy to do and came to my house quicker than they quoted me, and for free, awesome. I think the onesie is interesting, you know. I haven't gotten a onesie, have I, from any of the other ones? Maybe one of them had an elephant onesie. But you know, like the Amazon one has a Muslim swaddle. Some of them have a different bottle. Some of them had like a Aveeno or Avent bottle instead of the Dr. Brown's. I'm saying, hey, free. Cool, I'll take it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And don't forget, you can check out my Target baby registry and my Amazon baby registry. I don't know which one is going to go up first, but yeah, they should be up on my channel shortly if they're not already. Thanks for watching. Bye.